Powerful fucking move, extremely powerful move, hitting our next major resistance on the macro right around 11,800. Measure move from this falling wedge right here, which not my favorite sort of formations, but at the end of the day, this one actually playing out and hitting the target pretty much 1-to-1. Again, the expected moves chart is actually confirming this as a breakout and trending behavior once again, as you do see that we're breaking above the top of the first standard deviation. So anytime that we move out of the first standard deviation, whether it's to the top or the downside, that is kind of a trending move. And depending upon how aggressive it is, we will hit, the second or third standard deviation. And if it's a third standard deviation, it's like a fucking massive macro breakout. If it's a second standard deviation, then it's kind of like a medium time frame move right there, if you want just a very easy way to kind of identify these guys. But more importantly, you do see that not only are we breaking above this region right here, we're also breaking above structure as well. So to me, this is two confluent factors together with each other, and likely to, well, just lead to continuation overall. If Bitcoin's hitting resistance, then we probably do see the rest of the market pull back a little bit as well. Very short term, probably looking somewhere right around 229.5. But I'm not sure if I'd be interested in trading that. Somewhere down around here is where I'd be interested once again, right around 225 region. If we could retest this breakout trend line, that would be quite nice. Whoa, holy shit, what is that? Is that a spider? Whoa, what is that little guy doing? That is crazy. He just came out of nowhere. I feel like he's misunderstood. Just wants to hang out. Monaco. Oh man, well I got some news for you, my friend. I got some news for you. Monaco has all kinds of bottoms. All kinds of bottoms when you know exactly what's going to happen. Let's look at Cardano. Oh no! Oh no! Say it ain't so! Not Cardano! Motherfucker! Motherfucker! They told me that this was a third generation blockchain gonna save my dastardly bags! And what's going on right now? We just keep on going down? We just keep on going all the way down? Fucking goddamn it! Reddit said that this one was good!
I read about this one on Investopedia. It says once the RSI goes below 30, that's oversold. Can't go any lower, bro. This one's gotta pop up now.
Dump, says Daniel. Yeah, just dump it down to the lower end of this blue box territory. But this is the pullback that we were looking for right there, man. I think that this is just kind of playing within the confines of this region still. Overall fine. Do we pull back more over time? Yeah, maybe. But still operating within the confines of this. Haven't really even seen a change on the lower time frames just yet. Still kind of holding it in there. Well, we just had about $150 move to the downside, and still wicking back off of it. So again, gonna put in a little bit of sideways time here, but it's not until we actually break below this area where I'd say, hey, 11.4, 11.3 becomes a reality. Like, Krown, I've been waiting for the 200 exponential, and it's really far away now. What do I do? Well, it's not. Doesn't have to test it like today, man. Daily actually showing its first major sign of of a nice little pullback here. As we do kind of hit into that lower target in the 12,000 region. And yesterday, I really want to follow up on this because yesterday I actually was looking for a pullback. My opinion was more on the side of looking for a pullback than continuation. But this is why I always say I trust my technical analysis rather than my opinion. I trade technical analysis, not my fucking opinion, even though I do share my opinion from time to time. So yes, we did hit our second target once we actually took out the 11,800 blue box territory to the upside here, hit our next target, and then immediately forced back down. But here's now the critical point. Do we actually hold this area or not? Do we still hold in this blue box territory or not? So looking at our momentum oscillators right here on the 4 hour, we do see 4 hour Stokes actually headed down. They are confirmed down now, and it looks like they actually do want to get back down below that critical zone. Let's see if it matches up with the 3 through 1 hour, which I'm hoping not. But we do see 3 hour down as well, so those two are matching. We see 2 hour down as well. We see hourly down as well. So all of these guys are matching now. I do think that it's very, very likely that Bitcoin at the very least goes sideways here. Something like Cardano. Do we see? Oh my God! Holy shit! My God! Just straight fucking down, baby. New lows. We need some more lows for this bitch. Oh God. All right. Hey, what's up, Aaron Butnick? Yo, Krown, finally pulled the trigger and quit my job. Nice. All right. Already made more in the past 2 days straight. Fucking nice. Hey, man, that's gotta feel amazing. Holy shit. You quit your job and then you've already made more in the last 2 days. Oh my God. That's fucking amazing, man. That's fucking amazing. You're doing it. You're doing it. Already made more in the last 2 days trading than I did 2 weeks at my old job. Thanks for everything. Go buy a nice steak on me. Happy trading to you and everyone in chat. Hey, man, my pleasure. And again, man, fucking very, 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 very happy for you. Nato Mate on Twitch says, thoughts on bearish on 15, 31. Man, get off the fucking lower time frames. Delete these time frames from your trading view, man. It's gonna make your life so much better. Holy shit. A 15-minute? You're looking at a fucking 15-minute? A fucking 15-minute. What do you do? What do you do with this chart all day? Hey, try this. It's easier. It's fucking easier. You don't need to make it any more hard. When do I buy this? When do I buy this for long hodl? You don't. You don't buy shitcoins for long hodl. Like, what the fuck, man? Hey, it just goes down. There's no such thing as a long hodl on a piece of garbage. It's fucking disgusting. This is all people are saying when they buy into this bullshit. This is Nicholas Martin screaming right now. And it ain't stopping. It's never stopping. And the shitcoin police, they're back. And they're not gonna go away until someone's behind bars for promoting useless shitcoins like this. Holy fuck! And if we just kind of follow up on this, we do see 3-hour Stokes are actually already in the process of crossing the upside. And I think we see 2-hour Stokes already up. And when we got hourly right on over here, already up as well. So all of those guys pretty much on the same side as we approach major macro resistance, as we approach massive macro high time frames closing upon, major pivots on the market. This is, this next week of price action probably going to be pretty damn important for really setting the pace for the rest of the year, actually, as Bitcoin's going to have a massive chance to really, have a pretty big breakout here. Mark a lot on Twitch says, got my feeling at 11,350. Fucking nice, man. Oh, nicely done. Okay, sorry. Mark a lot says, got my feeling at 11,350 and 11,250 Krown. Fucking nicely done. You basically bought that low. I mean, is it manipulation? Fuck no, man. We're just coming back down to a major moving average, and just playing within this region right here. We're dealing with big numbers, but someone's gonna say it's manipulation because they hurt me, and you know what? I didn't think that this was supposed to happen, and god damn it, these fucking manipulators are taking advantage of me. I hate them. Mom, damn manipulators. These whales are manipulating me. They've manipulated my nipples for the last fucking 30 days. It's terrible. It hurts. PHUN. All right. What could this be? Funware. Funware on NASDAQ. Okay, so it's legitimate. Oh, this is not very legitimate. This thing doesn't trade, man. Fucking avoid it. It's already, the police are here. The police are here, man. They say this is a stage 5 shitcoin. Get the fuck out now. We're going straight to the goddamn floor. Through the moon. Really bad chart. Really fucking bad chart. Hey, what's up, Jack? How you doing, man? Those market makers are clearly manipulating price action right now. I know because crypto Twitter told me. Those fucking bastards. But thank God for those geniuses, those altruistic geniuses on crypto Twitter for telling me about these manipulative whales. Gaming with Chief Deadly says, I love my life. Bought yesterday at 11,300, sold at 12. Oh my god, fucking nicely done, man. Fucking nicely done. Bought again today at 11.5 and sold at 11.7. There you go. That's trading, man. That's fucking trading. There you fucking go. Beautiful, fucking beautiful, man. Right now, for me, Bitcoin's just, Bitcoin's just putting a little bit of a consolidation here. Does look a little bit droopy, to be fair. We actually did get a small sell signal on the. I shouldn't say small signal. It's an okay sell signal on the 2-hour jewel right here. Not super perfect. I would want to see it come in this more critical territory right here, but with the same signature on these oscillators. But decent enough to make me think that I'm not so convinced on this price action just yet. DGB BTC on Trex, and oh my god, look at what right as soon as I fucking open the chart. Motherfucker. It just goes down, baby. Down, down, down we go. Where do we stop? Only shitcoin Jesus knows. Oh my god, this one's so bad. It's so bad. I'm guessing that means it broke down because I remember that was trading like the 3,000. Holy shit. Holy shit. Get the shitcoin police on this one pronto. This shitcoin's on the loose. It just keeps on going down. Needs to go to shitcoin jail. Teeth on the blockchain. Your teeth are now worthless. Go fuck yourself. It's at 4 Satoshis. We only got 4 more to go, baby. We only got 4 more to go before you start owing. Oh man. Oh man. And just wait. If Bitcoin actually takes off here, oh, you're gonna see that. You're gonna see that 1 Satoshi tick right there. It's gonna be no bid at 1 Satoshi. No bid at 1 fucking Satoshi. The Dentacoin. All right, this is actual. Oh my. Oh, this is much better. This is much better. Oh, this is so much better. This is so much better. At our other phenomenal indicator, the Bitcoin expected moves right here with regards to historical volatility, you can see that we're still kind of playing within a range. There's nothing crazy going on here. It's still just consolidation, which is exactly what you'd expect to see based off of something like this. But it's good that it does kind of verify and validate what we're looking at on the lower timeframes with price action. And it would also suggest that any sort of daily total close above this first standard deviation, which is currently coming in about 1250, which is exactly where I agree with on that resistance on that symmetrical triangle on the lower time frames, then that's likely going to propel us to that next major level, which, according to this, would probably be somewhere around 12.5 region, which to me, that's the overall resistance of the whole formation, the whole damn kit and caboodle for the last couple months, actually. So that would be massive, 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 massive. The thing is, that's where the third standard deviation comes in right around over here, as you can see. So it would directly line up with that on both the lower time frames and then the higher time frames. So that would actually be a legitimized pivot on the market, is what I'm trying to suggest right here. By the same token, if we do break to the downside of the first standard deviation, which was currently at about 11.6 actually, that would be breaking out to the downside of that to the downside outside of that lower time frame symmetrical triangle that we were looking at. And where would I be looking for after that? We'll probably test down to at the very least the second or third standard deviation, which should be coming in around that 11,100-ish target right here. So you can see that it lines up with both things. So that just verifies and validates the technical analysis that we were doing earlier. But going back to Bitcoin on lower time frames, 4 hours, still working off this symmetrical triangle running over here. Lower support right around about 11,600 even, and upper resistance right around 12,050-ish region. If we do break to the downside, I'd be looking at a measure move back down towards about 11,000, 11,100-ish region, which would match up with the 4-hour 200 simple or 200 exponential moving average, which we typically do test after getting the golden cross in an overall general uptrend within about a week to a week and a half, which we're almost at the week mark in about a couple of days. By the same token, if we do bring out to the upside, then that would have a major impact, because if we can actually even maintain above this blue box territory right here, which the measure move which would directly point above to about 12.6, 12.7, then that would resolve the higher time frames, and this whole consolidation, like the whole formation that we're looking at right on over here to the upside, and actually I'd be looking at a massive flag target over time, not necessarily immediately, but over time towards 17,000. I guess I don't have it in right now, but it would be pointing towards 17,000. Anyway, that's going to do it for right now. I do actually lean towards this, probably going sideways within this region a little bit more, maybe testing back towards 11,850, 11,900-ish region. But ultimately, I actually do think that it probably does come back down here and then give a legitimate try to the upside. I am bullish on Bitcoin on the long term, though, to be 100% clear. I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I am bullish, and I do think that it does resolve itself to the upside over time. But more than anything in the lower time frames and medium time frames, sideways is the name of the game. I would only get bearish on Bitcoin looking for major targets into like the lower 9,000s or deep like 8,500s or 7,500 if Bitcoin broke below this guy right here at about 9,500. I mean, shit, I could maybe get a little bit bearish if we broke below 10.2, but 9.5 is the big region for me. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure to speak with you on this lovely Friday. Have a nice rest of your Friday. I'll be back on later tonight and tomorrow with some more video analysis and some more entries into the psychological series. So looking forward to seeing you there. If not, wishing you well as always, and take care.
Christmas dildos moving up and down. They'll call and crypto cry.